Nyajong, this is Alex. I just wanted to share something that I've been working on for the past couple of days. I was reading about this writing system that was invented, I believe, in 1959 for the Hmong language. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's Pahawh, but yeah, if I'm wrong, definitely let me know, and I'll correct it in the future. But I was working on a tool that would help you to change the Romanized characters for writing Hmong into Pahawh, and it's just a work in progress. I've only been working on it for about 3 days now, and so if any of you know how to read it, I don't know how to read it. If any of you know how to read it, it would be really cool if you could help me to improve this tool. I don't know if it's useful. I find it interesting at the very least. It's just for my own education and entertainment. But here's just a picture of what it looks like. You write Hmong in the Romanized characters in the top box, and then you click on the button that says Pahawh, and it automatically translates the text onto the bottom. And so I did some research on how Pahawh is written, and so I think that it's pretty accurate, but I'm sure that there are inaccuracies in the way that I put it together. And so if anybody wants to help me, that would be great. As with anything I do on this channel, any kind of criticism, constructive criticism is welcome, and I'm open to any help that will assist me in getting better and more familiar with the Hmong language. And so I just wanted to share that. I hope someone out there finds this interesting or even useful in some way. And so yeah, thanks for checking it out. I'm going to keep a link in the description. So I'm not going to say where it is in the video because the location of it might change. And so I'm going to keep a link updated in the description if you want to go to it and use it, check it out, try it yourself. And so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.